Hey guys, really quick kind of winter project here. Last year, after I did a couple of winter rides, one of the things that I did was I took a piece of ABS plastic and I had cut it down, and the idea was to basically slide it down into this groove right here. And I had cut a couple of tabs in here, and the idea was that it would just kind of lock in and hold itself in to keep it from jostling around too much. It actually did a good job, but it still had a lot of airflow that was allowed around the radiator. So what I did was, this was some actually really thick, really good quality ABS plastic. I'll put a link to this in the description on Amazon. But what I had done just a little while ago was bought a multi-pack of it's actually slightly thinner material, still ABS plastic. You can see it's a little bit more flexible than this material is, a little bit easier to work with. And what I've done is I took that plastic and I've cut it out, kind of see here, I've cut it out to fit onto this plastic piece right here. And this one's easy to pop out and show you. So you can see all I've done is just take it, cut it out to the design, and just use a simple wire tie. And then that will snap back in place. And so when I go for a winter ride, that'll completely block the largest air channel right here. And I took another piece down here, and this one, kind of the same thing. I just cut it out and basically went around here. Now it's not super cinched down here at the bottom. In fact, it's just floating. But the whole idea is to minimize the amount of ram air that's coming in around the radiator in the winter and allow the coolant fluid to come up to a higher temperature and then warm the inside better. Now I do have, just in case it does start to get too warm, of course the thermostat will kick on, but I also have a fan override switch in place as well. You're still going to get air coming in from the sides, from the bottom, from the top. There's also still a gap down here so that air can get in. This will just hopefully allow for a little bit better warm up when you're driving down the trail, doing 15 miles an hour, 20 miles an hour, because when you're doing that in teens weather, 20-degree weather, this thing cools down actually pretty efficiently. So just a little quick project. I think I'll have to look and see what the cost was, but I want to say that a 3-pack of these sheets, and you can see right here, I actually have about 2 3-packs. I didn't know what I might need it for, but a 3-pack I think was $20 on Amazon. Again, I'll put a link in the description. Really cheap, really easy to work with. I just used my oscillating tool to cut it out. Took a matter of minutes to do it. You could use a jigsaw, a hacksaw. You could probably even score it and snap it. But we'll have to get it out on the trail and do a bit of a ride to see how effective it really is. But I think closing that off in the front will make a big difference. And then once I get the doors installed, that should get everything sealed up really nice, make it nice and toasty, and make it where going out on a winter ride will be actually quite a lot of fun, especially if you get some snow. Be a really pretty ride. Anyway, that was just another quick little project. I hope you enjoy it, and thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Please like the videos. See you again.